Welcome to Baldwin Subaru's Tips in Under a Minute. Today I'm going to be showing you the quickest way to set up a new device so you can use Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or Bluetooth. To begin, you'll press the Manage Device button located next to your Home button. From here, if you have any registered devices, they'll show up and you have the option to delete them, but today we're going to add a device. Once you've pressed Add, you can go ahead and go to the settings on your phone and open Bluetooth settings. On Android, you'll tap Connections and then Bluetooth. From here, you'll scroll down and wait for the name of the vehicle to appear. Tap on the vehicle's name and press Pair once it shows up. If you'll be the primary driver, allow all settings. Press Yes for Android Auto on the screen and you'll be good to go.